Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up level up bot on Discord. And right now I'm currently inside Discord, so the first thing that I want you to do right now is create your own server. It should look and be like this. As you can see right here, this is my personal server. Now if you don't have a personal server just yet, simply click on the plus icon right there and add a server. You can create your own, create a gaming, school club, and study. But if you have an invite, you can simply join a server. Anyway, once you have your server up and running, we're gonna need a third-party application. I'm gonna go to it right now. Now welcome back to the video. Right now the third-party application I was mentioning earlier will be Arcane. So Arcane is a level up Discord bot server with the best leveling up and multi-purpose Discord bot. Now I've kept saying level up with this one, but what is exactly leveling up in Discord? So leveling up Discord basically gives your members, your friends, whoever's inside your server, a chance to be recognized. For example, they keep playing, they keep using Discord and so much items for their daily work or daily gaming, they will be level up. Basically, that's it. So once you're here, I want you simply to log in on the option right there. And you're gonna see right here, it will ask you for your Discord. So just enter your Discord application here or Discord account, and I'll see you once inside. Once you're logged in, you're gonna be brought up on this screen wherein you need to choose a server that you want the Arcane bot to log into. As you can see right here, I have 4 sample servers here, and just to make sure that I'm on the right server, it should be on the acronym. You're gonna see 2 faces here, one of this anime of Goku or the horse, and with these 2 right here are basically a server that I created before. Anyway, if you're not familiar with Discord at all, I have a video about it, so please check it out. Anyway, I'm gonna click on this one because this is the one I'm using for now. And just simply wait for it to log in. So once you're here, you're gonna see another option where just for confirmation, it will ask you which server are you going to. Again guys, just to make sure, choose the specific server that you're using. Click on continue right there, manage the roles, and click on authorize. Now I'm gonna wait for it. So welcome back to the video. Right now this is inside Arcane after linking Arcane to your Discord server. As you see right here, we have Tutorialboxx server dashboard. Now we're gonna have a lot of options. One is role management, welcomer, custom commands, moderation, account verification, YouTube notifications, login, and leveling. The language is right here, so please choose the specific language that you need. So we have a lot of stuff going on here, but for now, I'm gonna focus on leveling. We're gonna focus on the other photos right here or other modes in upcoming videos. So please comment down below which part or which feature that you want me to create a video with. It may be YouTube notifications, role management, or moderation. I'll wait for it, and now proceed with leveling. So before we click on configure right there, I'm gonna go back on Discord first. So the reason that I went back to Discord is that I want to make sure Arcane is inside it. As you see right here, it says yay, you made it Arcane, and on the bots on the left side, or rather sorry, on the right side, we have Arcane right there. And now the next thing that you want to check is the role management, because you really cannot use Arcane mode without the roles inside your server. So to optimize the roles, you need to click on the server settings, like so, and then choose on roles. Now once you're here, of course we need to create a role. As you can see right there, I have 4 roles altogether, and now we're gonna create 4 roles. Again guys, you need to create 4 roles here, so again it will be 1. As you see right here, we already have 1 right there. And then I'm gonna name this one level 1. So click on save changes. Don't do anything yet within the role. Click on escape. Go back to server settings, like so. And then click on roles. Again, we have 1 right there. And then click 1 more, because we need to create 1 more role there. And then if you want a shortcut, instead of going back and forth, there is an option here where you can create a role altogether very quickly. So I already have 1, I have 2, I need 2 more. And there we have it. Let's just name them first before proceeding. So I'm gonna name this one level 2, this one level 3, and then this one level 4. Now you might ask me how come we're not prioritizing or optimizing up to level 5 or 10? Because it will be a different video for that. For now, we're gonna focus on level 1 to 4, or 4 levels altogether. You can do so if you want level 5 here, level 10, 15, and 20. It's really up to you. The important part is you have 4 roles altogether. Don't forget to save the changes. And now let's optimize each one. And now I'm not really gonna change anything here. I'm not really gonna change the idea, the image just yet, just save time. But for discussion purposes, I'm gonna color that one yellow, color this one red, color this one green, and color this one, let's just say blue. Save changes, and that's it. I'm gonna go back on Discord right now. And the next part that I wanna check right here is that I'm gonna create a channel. So to create another channel, click on create channel right there, or right click right here. You can create a category. So the category's name right here would be Arcane, just to save time and be organized. Click create category right there, so we have it. And then next up, create a channel. It may be voice or text, but for now I'm gonna go with text. And I'm gonna name this one leaderboard, something like that. Click on create channel. So don't create private channel, just simply make it public. Click right there. And now let's move on with the next part. Now once that's done, we have a channel, you have your roles. Let's go back to Arcane. And now we're back here. Now we're gonna click on configure under leveling and wait for it to load up. And with this one, you're gonna have the default message of the user mentioned right there. You're gonna have the options here. Everything would be inside this option. So really gonna change everything here. So let's take it step by step. So let's start with the level up message. You can enter everything here, but for now, I suggest do it at default, because you might have a problem or system problem if you change anything here. So try it out for default first. And now this is the most important part under level up message, the drag down icon. If you click on none or if you did not select anything here, basically your servers or your everything inside your Tutorialboxx will be flooding up the message every time that your users, your friends, your colleagues inside your server reaches a certain level. That's why I asked you, or we created a server earlier, or a channel, which is going to be leaderboard. So we're only leveling up, or we're only giving up level up notifications inside the leaderboard channel. Now scroll down a little bit until you reach this one. So role rewards, this is the one or the part where we're dive in for now. And you're going to see this one. The roles right there, that's why I asked you to create 4 roles. Remember, we have level 1 to level 4. And now, let's try click on level 1, and of course, you need to choose the same level as your role. Because if they reach this certain level, they will receive a reward. Because if you choose level 1 right there, and you choose somewhat level 9 here, it will not really synchronize. So again guys, it's pretty crucial that you set the same number. And simply click on add a reward. As you see right there, we have updated the rewards, and we have one reward pending right here. Level 1 given on level 1. And now we're gonna do the same thing for the other 4 levels. I'm gonna select level 2. I'm gonna select level 3 here, like so. And level 4 is right around the corner. So again, I have level 1 to 4 ready to go. And now you might be asking me, what is stack rewards? Basically, stack rewards is the name itself. It's stacking your level. For example, your friend already reached level 2. If you remove this option right there, the stack rewards, it will remove the rewards on level 1. Each time they move up a level, they will remove the previous reward they have. But if this is enabled, it will stack up. Basically, that's it. And now let's talk about the XP points or the level calculator. How come they level up? How do they level up rather? So you cannot really change the minimum maximum, the cooldown multiplier or max level here, because this is going to be the premium feature. We're going to create a separate video on this one to fully utilize it. But for now, you can check the level calculator to have a idea on how much they need to do before leveling up. So I'm going to go to it right now. So this is going to be the leveling calculator. And as you see, we have a warning. This is not the dashboard. This is only a leveling calculator. So if I select level 1 there, you're going to see here if you send every message or every 60 minutes or 60 seconds, which is ideally 3 minutes, you're leveling up with 6 minutes. So you cannot really spam Discord every second to enable your XP point. Because as you see right here, there is a rule or a rule that you can only send a message every 60 seconds that will include XP points. So if you spam it for a minute or every second or even every millisecond, it will not count. It will only count once every 60 seconds. That will be around realistically 60 minutes or 6 minutes. If I check on level 2 there, As you see, they're now really giving me an idea. The highest level I have for level 4 is 1 hour and 6 minutes. Now going back on the dashboard. So right now, we're all good here. As you mentioned that I haven't touched anything here just yet because most of them are for paint features, but we're good to go here. So simply click on go back without saving because there's going to be an automatic save, and let's go back on Discord. Now once you're in the Discord server, everything is good. So to show you how it looks like leveling up, because I'm not really going to do it right here because it will take a minute at most to get the level 1, right? So I'm going to show you a screenshot I have on how it looks like. It should be around here. As you can see right there, it's just going to be a mention. The Arcane bot will send a message to let your friends know that what kind of level are they right now. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.